Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we will be using this short and easy math trick on these arithmetic progression, or sometimes we call it arithmetic sequence for this given problem. And here is our problem over here. It states the fifth term of an arithmetic progression is 11 and the 10th term is 41. Find the first term. So what has been given to us, we know that a fifth term means a sub 5 equal to 11 and a of 10 equals to 41, and we want to find the first term. As I told you before, a of 1 represents the first term, so we have this much given and this is what a of 1 we want to find. And in this very first step, we are going to find the common difference D. And we know that we have this much data given to us, that a of 5 equals to 11 and also a of 10 equals to 41 from here. As you can see, this has been given to us. I just wrote it down over here. And here we will be using this formula over here. As you can see, if I say a of m equal to s and a of n equals to t, just like this been given to us, then the common difference is just the ratio of their differences. That means I can write this as d common difference equals to, I am going to write down these numbers. These are called S and T, 11 minus 41. So I'm going to write 11 minus 41 on the top, divided by, likewise I will be just putting these numbers, these subscripts over here. So I can write 5 minus 10. That's pretty much it. And now let's go ahead and simplify this thing. So d is equal to, on the top it's going to be negative 30 over negative 5. So d simply turns out to be positive 6. That's our common difference. And now in the second step, we are going to find the first term, which is a of 1. We want to find out. To find a of 1, the very first thing we are going to do is, we have these two things been given to us, a of 5 equal to 11 and a of 10 equal to 41. We want to pick the easy point. So the easy number is this one. I am going to say pick okay. I will tell you why I'm picking this thing. A of 5 equal to 11. Now as you can see over here, the subscript over here is 5. That means, that tells us that our n equal to 5. And now we are going to use this arithmetic progression formula. Let me write it down over here. A of n equal to a of 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And here we are going to write down over here a of n, in our case is a of 5. I'm going to write down a of 5. We need to find a of 1, just leave it that one, plus from our this case n is 5. As you can see, 5 minus 1 times d. In the previous step we figured out d equal to 6. Just write it down. Let's simplify. We know that a of 5 equal to, right up here, 11. You can see that one. So I can write 11 equals to a of 1 plus, this simply become 4 times 6. Let's simplify furthermore. 11 equal to a of 1 plus 24 let's move this 24 on the other side. Okay, we're gonna move it on the other side, so that is going to give us a sub 1. 11 minus 24 equal to a sub 1. That means a of 1 equal to negative 13 as our first term. So thus our first term, a sub 1, turns out to be negative 13. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.